Hi there, I've managed to sneak in another Christmas tutorial, so today I'm going to make a poinsettia plant. And to start with, I'm just rolling out some green clay, and with my medium-sized cutout tool I'm going to make a series of leaves. And with my trusty needle tool I'm going to make some vein details on the leaves. And I'm just neatening off the edges with my hands here. If you're new to my channel, I'm a polymer clay artist and illustrator, and I've recently began to pay more attention to my YouTube channel, as you know, it's something that I'd like to build on next year. So if you like my content, by all means subscribe, it'd be great to have you on board. Okay, so as poinsettia leaves are really pointy, I'm just making sure that my polymer clay versions are too. So I'm just joining the four leaves together and just adding a little bit of pressure there so they stick together. And now it's time to make the red petals. So I'm creating these in a similar way to the leaves. Again, I'm using my needle tool here just to create some vein details, as they're quite pronounced on the plants themselves. And again, just neatening off the edges with my hands. And again, as their petals are really pointy, I'm just adding some points to my polymer clay versions. And then these are attached to the green leaves. I'm going to use a smaller cutout tool here to create some smaller leaves to go in the centre of the plants, but it's again a very similar process. And with my ball tool here, I'm just putting a little bit of indentation in the centre just to ensure everything sticks nicely. And then it's a case of adding the small petals. You can add as many petals as you like. I'm aware that mine's actually quite symmetrical here, but it doesn't need to be at all. And as poinsettias have the appearance of a black centre, it's actually an optical illusion because they don't actually exist, but I'm just adding a bit of dark clay to the centre, really to give the impression of a poinsettia. And with some tiny bits of yellow clay, I'm just adding those to the centre. Personally, I think this would make a really great badge, particularly at this size, so once it's baked, if you were to add a pin just to the back, it would look great, I think. Or if you wanted to make a smaller version, I think this would really work as a card embellishment as well. Thanks for watching, I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.